Ladies and gentlemen, we're back sa second portion po ng ating programa ng Aksyon Central Luzon Special Edition. Pa rin po si Sani Lopez, and this time we have candidates po ng Binibining Mimosa. Okay? I'd like to introduce them. To my right, ladies and gentlemen, we have from Holy Angel University, Miss Irene Pamintuan. Okay? And of course, to her right naman, from Angeles University Foundation, pwede kayong bumati si Miss Gail Ventic.
Good afternoon po.
Okay, at tapos from si Precious, Precious Masiklat is from Mabalacat City College.
Good afternoon po.
Okay, and siyempre sa kaliwa ko po mga kaibigan, nandito po again from the Mabalacat City College, Kimberly Boyonas.
Hello po, good afternoon.
And of course, again from Holy Angel University, we have Miss Jomay Pablo.
Hello.
Okay. So, hindi kayo kompleto Pero are you ready for this competition? Lahat ba kayo may experience na sa mga pageant? Ikaw, Miss Irene?
First time po.
First time? Si Miss Gail?
Last year po ako nag-start. Sali-sali na po ako sa school pageant.
School pageant. And of course, ikaw, ma'am?
Since po, third year high school po.
Ikaw yung mga addict sa mga beauty pageant. Merong ganun, di ba?
Hindi naman po, pero syempre, may konting panahon po syempre para sa studies ko po. Nagpapahinga din po.
Okay. Alam mo ako, I'm happy because I've been a producer of pageants and many of those na produce namin sa Mutianing Angeles. Nakikita ko yun, marami sa kanila nasa abroad, nasa mga flight attendants, ganyan, nag-work sila. So you think this will help you in your career, ma'am? And you are Kimberly, right?
Yes.
Palagay mo yung pagsali-sali sa mga beauty pageant, makakatulong sa iyo,
Of course, nakakatulong sa akin para mas mapalakas yung self-confidence ko para humarap sa maraming tao.
Dati ba ayaw mong humarap sa maraming tao?
Ngayon medyo
Mas kumpiyansa ka na. And ikaw naman?
Gaya po ng sinabi niya, it will help boost my self-confidence and self-esteem. Yun.
So, ikaw yung sumali na rin before? Have you...
Second time.
Second time. So, anong difference? What's the difference dito sa pagsali niyo sa Binibining Mimosa at saka sa mga other pageants na sinalihan niyo?
Yung pong akin kasi yung first time ko is Miss Mabalacat City.
Yes?
Yun po. Yun po kasi yung experience namin doon, sobrang
Nakaka-nervous ba or what?
Nakaka-nervous po kasi po yun po buong siya. Pero unlike Binibining Mimosa, it's just a typical pageant. Maraming experience, meron kaming personality development and maraming activities.
So, may training And ikaw, what's the difference that you've seen dito sa Mimosa and the other pageants that sinalihan mo? Si Miss Precious.
Dito po kasi sabi ni Bini Mimosa, may mga trainings po. Yun nga po, kagaya po ng sabi ni Ate, may mga personality development. Unlike po sa iba, wala. And here in Binibining Mimosa, hindi lang po yung bigla ka lang sasali. We also acquire knowledge so that we can boost our self-esteem, self-confidence, and also we can develop how to socialize with other people.
Gail, alam mo, kung ikaw ang mananalo, merong responsibility to, right? You're aware of the responsibility of a Binibining Mimosa, right? Are you prepared for this responsibilities? 1 year yan, di ba?
Hopefully po, pag nanalo po, sana po, ayun nga po, yung pagiging ambassadors of goodwill, hindi naman po sa title lang yan Kailangan po, nililive up ko po yun. Simple things lang po sa pagiging role model ko, saka pagiging high moral standard ko po. Sa tingin ko po, mapapakita ko po na karapat-dapat din po ako na tanghalin din po Miss Mimosa.
And ikaw naman, Miss Irene, are you ready for the responsibilities in case you, by accident, you win?
Opo. Napag-isipan ko din po yan yung before pa lang po ako sumali dito.
Malaking responsibility, di ba? On your shoulders, a lot of responsibilities. Mga bisita, kasama kayo, mga events, lagi kayong kasama dyan.
Opo.
So, pinaghahandaan nyo rin yan.
Opo.
Okay. So, anong mas interested kayo sa premyo o sa yung title? Iniisip nyo makakatulong sa inyo yun? Yung titulo?
Both? Oo. Opo.
In what way do you think that
In what
it's
way?
going to help you?
Siyempre,
Winning the
kapag,
title.
if you want the title, kung ako, yung ganun, siyempre, parang mabibigyan ka ng, parang,
Praise.
oo, yung makikilala ka, hindi naman sa pagkakaroon ng fame, ganyan. Pero, parang, it's a title na kagandahan. Yun nga, goodwill, ambassadors of goodwill. It's a good thing na makuha mo yun.
So you're up to it. You're ready for this responsibility, this big responsibility, Miss Jomai.
Yes,
Ready ka?
I think so.
And ikaw naman, Miss Kimberly.
Of course, both will help me, especially yung title at saka yung cash prize.
Cash prize.
Okay.
Yun po.
But after this, you think winning a title will help you prepare for your future?
Of course po.
Mhm.
Siyempre, iba pa rin po pag may hawak kang title. Di ba po pag meron kang, kunwari pag mag-a-apply ka ng work or maraming matutulong.
O pagkatapos, oy, maganda lang pala to sa picture. Pagkatapos, pag nag-work na, hindi pala. You can handle everything.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'd like to ask you now. Sabi mo hindi pa tong first time mo. This is your second pageant that you have joined.
Third, kuya.
Third na. Winning this, do you think you'll go? Kasi some winners here I know. Tapos nilang manalo dito, umakyat pa sila hanggang sa national level. You think you want to do that also?
Yes, syempre naman po. Syempre, sino naman po yung ayaw talagang umangat, di ba? And syempre, pag nakuha mo po yung title for Binibini Mimosa, madadala mo po yun dun sa higher pageant na sasalihan mo. And I know that this will help me po para magampanan ko rin yung role na dapat kong...
Ambassadors.
Yes.
And for you, Gail, same question.
Sa akin po, may title po or wala, yung mga experience po na nag-gain po namin dito, yung personality development po, parang ang sarap po sa pakiramdam na may backup na po akong alam bago po ako sumabak sa mas mataas na pageant. So, maganda po talagang stepping stone po talaga yung Mimosa.
And Miss Pamintuan?
Ayun, so, gaya po na sinabi nila.
Gaya-gaya kayo ng answer, ha? Gaya-gaya. Sige, pero okay lang yan.
Tulad po ng sinabi nila, parang may edge ka na po. Kasi yung Mimosa hindi lang po kilala dahil for having the good high standard facilities. Kung baga, meron ka ng image na maganda na parang, ay, Binibini Mimosa. Hindi lang ganda, pero meron ding palang ibubuga. Yung ganun po.
Tama. How will you handle being an ambassador of Mimosa? How will you sell Mimosa further? Mimosa is known worldwide. Alam natin lahat yan. Ha? Pero paano natin mas mabebenta pang Mimosa? Kung ikaw ang mananalo, kung ikaw ang ambassadors of Mimosa, being Binibining Mimosa.
Bilang isang Binibining Mimosa po, marami akong matutulong sa Mimosa pag lalo kung ipopromote ito. Kasi po,
Dadayan mo sa ganda o sa pagkikiusap o sa pagre-represent ng...
siyempre, i-represent namin yung Mimosa.
Okay, and you, ma'am?
Di ba nga po, yung Binibini Mimosa is kilala sa... Yung pageant na Binibini Mimosa is kilala sa pagiging... yung pagkakaroon ng 3B, yung sinabi nga po nila na beauty, brain, and behavior. Yung pagkakaroon nun sa isang babae is like maganda. I mean, kapag kung sino man ang makakakuha ng title, tapos she will be a role model of Binibini Mimosa.
And Mimosa?
Mas maganda, mas gaganda po yung, I mean, mapopromote niya talaga kasi
tama.
yun nga po.
Pero,
sa pagkakaroon niya ng
tatanungin kita. O, sa'yo muna, Miss Irene. Anong edge mo sa kanila?
Kasi po, di ba?
Naniniwala ka kung kakayanin mo mga to? Ha? Sige, diretso lang. So what do you think is your edge over your fellow candidates?
I think it's the social communication about people, social relationship with people. It's about how you interact with people. It's not only about the looks and everything. It's about how you interact with them.
So you're saying that you have brains better than them?
Hindi.
Or a combination of beauty and brains? Ano mo yung isa? Beauty, brains, and saka
Behavior.
Do you have a good behavior naman? Ha?
Opo. Akala ko naman po maayos yung parents.
O sige, you talk about it.
Yun po, inisip ko po na dapat determined ka talaga sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Kailangan focus ka and hindi naman po talaga yun nga po, hindi po looks lang, hindi lang po brains. Yung behavior, one important thing po. Kasi kung may attitude ka po, hindi ka po maglalast sa world. Hindi lang sa pageant, kundi sa context
Tama.
ka ng world.
Sa buhay, di ba?
Sa buhay po.
Ordinary life.
Opo.
If you have an attitude, as you said, walang mangyayari, di ba? Do you agree with her?
Yes, syempre.
Ano naman advantage mo sa kanila?
I think po, syempre, yung height ko. And, syempre, marami na rin po na-acquire na knowledge. Kasi, syempre, hindi lang po yung, hindi ko po first time na sumali ngayon. And of course, my faith in God, syempre po kasi, I know He's guiding me naman po.
Okay, and you lady, what is your advantage over your fellow candidates? There's 10 of you, right? 10 kayo, di ba?
Actually, ayoko pong mag-compare ng tao. Pero, kung iisipin ko, ano po?
Walang
I think-
intriga to, ha? Sagutin mo yan. O, anong sinasabi mo? Anong advantage mo sa kanila?
Sa tingin ko, yung pagkakaroon ko ng kagandahang loob.
Ay, hindi kayo masyadong maganda loob niyo, ha? Siya,
Hindi kasi, hindi po ako sociable, pero kapag
You're a nice
nakikinausap ako
person
ng
inside.
tao, opo. Pag kinausap ako ng tao, I mean, kapag reliable po ako, kung hihingi silang tulong sa akin,
maasahan ka.
Opo.
Baka hahabol ka ng politiko naman, ha? O, ito naman si Miss Kimberly, right?
Para sa akin po yung edge ko ay yung mga life experiences ko dahil po isa po akong para pong breadwinner to be ng family. So, yun po yung
To be pa lang.
Opo. Kasi po yung
Makahanda
papa
ka
ko-
na dyan.
Yes. Yun po. Parang yun yung nagiging edge ko kasi may experiences na ako sa buhay ko. Tapos magagamit ko yun dito sa pageant.
Sila wala pang masyadong experiences. So, you want to thank anybody or some people or some sponsors para dito sa pageant
We
nito?
have list of sponsors here. We would like to thank Promised Land Trading, Sachul Hong, BC Construction, Hydro System Electromechanical Sales and Service, East World Sales Philippines, RMJP Trading, Paragon Tourist Transport, SDL Farm, Central Mart Duty Free, Yokohama Tire Philippines, Mabalacat Water District, People for You, Pepsi Cola Product Philippines, Fuji Xerox Philippines Incorporated, Clark Mac Enterprises, Mercky Philippines Incorporated, Erwin Barredo Fruits, Robinson's Star Mills Pampanga, Air Asia Incorporated, Culinary Exchange Incorporated, Charles Seafoods, and
Ikaw naman, meron pa siya nakatira para sa kanya? Okay. So,
We would also like to thank Erical Enterprises, Sendico Plastic, Zeso Corporation, Silverworks, Photoline, Tupperware Brands, Unilever Philippines, Mangar Ice Trading, Philippine Spring Water, Clark Freeport, VP Gaviola Printing Services, Alamat Award, Orchids Bookstore, SEH Marketing, L&T International, Daily Tours, NCH Philippines, Bakels Philippines, Sun Cellular, Chris Mon Photography, Philippine Veterans Bank, H. Ramos Plastic, and PCI. Thank you po.
dami yung sponsor, ha? Mukhang kikita tong budget na to, ha?
Also,
Eh,
Joe
ikaw.
Fruits, Mavic Enterprises, Vibe Publishing, MMMGCCA, Philippine National Bank Clark, Johnny's Supermarket, and SL Supermarket.
O, si Jomay naman, meron ka pa?
Opo. We would also like to thank Senator Manuel Lapid, COA Hotel, Renes Saw, Hotel A California, Korean Association, General Romeo Hilomen, Froilan de la Cruz, Federation of Philippine Amateur Senior Golfers Association, BMF Gasul Corporation, Shemlux Incorporated, Normandy Enterprises, Royal Security Agency, SCIC Enterprises, V-Point Enterprises, The Turf Company, Land Bank of the Philippines Clark, Biopest Environmental Marketing, Clencofil International Incorporated, Office Budget, Banco de Oro, and Jeremy Auto Supply.
No, si ano naman, si
We'd
Kimberly.
like also to thank Fiesta Mimosa sponsors Clark Development Corporation, BGM Baby Food, Saturn Petrochem, Chris Garbo, Manalas Machine Shop, Sherlin Variety Store, Roby Variety Store, Western Synergy, Honorio Salas Press, Fair Deal Chemicals, Nationware Marketing Services Incorporated, TRN Enterprise, CGS Solid, 3B Food Supply, PMS Guerra, Development Bank of the Philippines, Moon General, Greenleaf Trading, Generica Drugstore, NBSP Trading, and Hala Hotel.
Okay. Thank you,
Meron pa po.
Thank you sa mga
Meron
sinabi
pa po
niyong
kami
mga...
papasalamatan.
Sige. Babati ka pa.
Magpapasalamat po kami kay Sir Rob Sikia for our casual wear and Jansen Cosmetics.
Thank you din po sa mga clubs na nag-accommodate sa amin nung nag-bar hop kami. Hacienda po, White House, U-Hub, and
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile.
and
Hush.
Club Bossa, and
Bruno and Jack.
Bruna and Chego. Thank you.
thank you po.
Okay, wala na kayong dadagdag ng mga club?
Thank you sa mga friends ko.
Ikaw.
Ganun din po, thank you din. At Mabalacat City College, please support us.
Okay. So, these are the five of the 10 po na finalists ng Binibining Mimosa. Of course, I have with me, again, to my right, we have Miss Irene Pamintuan from Holy Angel University and Gail Ventic, also from the Holy Angel University. Angeles University Foundation. From Mabalacat City College, si Precious Masiklat. Again, from Mabalacat City College, Kimberly Boyanas. And of course, Jomai Pablo ng Holy Angel University. So, good luck to you girls, okay?
Thank you po.
May the best win this competition. At tandaan nyo, yung competition na to, maraming mapupuntahan ito. Either you work here, and if you represent Mimosa very well, and if you represent Clark very well, you know the future ahead of you. Makakatulong talaga sa inyo to, especially the training, other than the being a participant in the beauty pageant. Tama ang sabi niyo, meron silang training, and that's very good of Mimosa when they do that. Kasi yan, meron ba certificate yan? Magagamit yan, di ba? Sa buhay niyo. So again, thank you. Thank you for being with me today, and hope you'll be with us in washing the Binibining Mimosa. Ngayon, malapit na po yan mga kaibigan. Marami pong mga events, no? Meron po tayong Pop Idol, meron po tayo yung sa eating competition ba yun? O cooking. Tauko. Tapos ito, mga nagagandahan pong Binibining Mimosa. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank Mimosa for this opportunity, for having interviewed them for the umpteenth time. Ito po si Sunny Lopez sa inyong programang Aksyon Central Luzon Special Edition, and you have a nice day now.